Hello, I am Samar here. Today I introduce a four limit problem which are already rotated to the competitive exam like joint and joint advanced and other exam. Okay, now let's see the question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 in this video. Okay, see for question number 1 here, number 1 problem. Look here, limit x tends to 4 cos alpha to the power x minus sin alpha to the power x minus cos 2 alpha by x minus 4. Okay, this is your problem. Now see here, how can do this problem? Right here, limit x tends to 4. Now, I have taken assumption x minus 4 as a y. As x tends to 4, therefore y tends to 0 here. So we can write limit y tends to 0. And now cos alpha to the power x means that is 4 plus y here. Okay, and sin alpha to the power x, it means also y plus 4 plus y. And now cos 2 alpha means we can write cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. Okay, x minus 4 is equal to y as x tends to 4, then y tends to 0 here, and that is here is y. And again see here, this is limit y tends to 0, and the power, that is 4 plus y, you can break the indices like here cos alpha to the power 4. See here, this is the 4, and cos alpha to the power y, and sin alpha to the power 4, and sin alpha to the power y. See here, this is the power 4 and this is the power 4. But see, the power of cos alpha to the power 2 and sin alpha to the power 2. So you introduce another factor like that, cos square alpha, sin square alpha, and this is here is 1. In place of 1 we can introduce the factor that is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha to get the indices whose power is 4. As you see, here is power 4 and this is power 4 also. So this is the technique. Okay, and y tends to 0 here, and taken common, if we multiply this factor, so again we write cos alpha to the power 4, cos alpha to the power y, sin alpha to the power 4, sin alpha to the power y, and we can write cos alpha to the power 4, and here is sin alpha to the power 4. Okay, and we have taken a common within the bracket. One is cos alpha to the power 4 from the 4 part, that is this and this, and again taken common from this sin alpha to the power 4, and this is by y. And see here, limit y tends to 0, and this is the formula here, cos alpha to the power y minus 1 by y, and limit y tends to 0, by y. The standard formula is that limit x tends to 0, this is 0, a to the power x minus 1 by x, and this is equal to log a to the x. Okay, cos alpha to the power 4 and this is cos alpha, sin alpha to the power 4. Okay, this is the answer for this problem. Okay, so the another problem we have to introduce in this video. See, I went to the question number 3. Question number 3. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 4x to the power x plus 2 by x. And the standard formula for that, x tends to 0, 1 plus x to the power 1 by x, and that is equal to e. That is equal to e. So here is 4, here is x. So let us assume 4x as a y as x tends to 0. So this is y tends to 0, I can write here. Okay. Now substitute in place of x, that is y tends to 0 here, and 1 plus y, and this is x here, that is y by 4 plus 1 by y by 4, and this is equal to y tends to 0, 1 plus y to the power 1 plus, I think there was a mistake, this is 2 here, 8 by y, and this is equal to y tends to 0, 1 plus y, okay, y tends to 0, 1 plus y into limit y tends to 0, 1 plus y to the power 8 by y, and this is here 1 plus 0, and also this is, we can write like y tends to 0, 1 plus y to the power 1 by y, and this is whole to the power 8, so e to the power 8 we can write. Okay, I think all of you are better understood of this problem. So again, for this problem we have to introduce a short method in the competitive exam, not needed to the explanation. So how can we use this formula? Let's see here how it possible to write the simplest problem. See, if we see the variable to the variable, and in between them it is very small, so you can like here log of 1 plus x. If x is very small, so we can write that is equal to x. Okay, from that we have to introduce e to the power limit, like here a to the power x, we can write also e to the power log of a to the power x. Okay, that first we have to introduce these. So log of 1 plus 4x, and this is x plus 2 by x, so that is equal to limit x tends to 0, log of 4x, sorry, this is here log 4x into x plus 2 by x, and this is equal to, see here very small, we can write this is 4x. Okay, this is 4x. Actually procedure here is 0, 1 plus 4x minus 1 into x plus 2 by x. Okay, we can write it simply as a 4x. Why we write this 1 plus 4x minus 1? Let me finish first, then after we can write the how can we write this plus 1 minus 4 minus 1. Okay, see here this is 1 are cancelled out, and also x is cancelled out here, so e to the power 8 is the answer. Okay, I mean to say, so this is the method e to the power, only e to the power, if it is written by the variable to the variable, and that is limit we can write, that is tends to 0, and only this value 4x and minus 1, always जो value यहाँ पर आएगा 4x minus 1 into that value x plus 2 by x. We can write here. So as you see, this is somewhere like log of sine by x. How can write this? Okay, that will be log of 1 plus